Yo, what's up, everybody? Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. As you can tell by my outfit, it is a very summery day out. My sister's over here. I'm about to go outside, see what everybody's up to, and later today we might go to the beach, so that'll be fun for sure. So let's go see what everybody's doing. Now the party can start. What's up?
Hi.
You look like you're gonna go fishing.
Yeah, that's what I was.
This is my beach day outfit.
You're getting in the water?
No. Is it recording?
Yes!
Peep the fit.
I don't know why he's wearing shoes and socks when it's 90
I
degrees.
look like a cool uncle. Like ready for the barbecue.
Not sponsored.
Grab 2 more.
What we doing?
Grilling some chicken.
The pancakes are burning. The pancakes are burning.
Look, do you think I should put them up?
That one looks pretty good.
That's not chicken. This is venison.
Guess I'm an idiot.
Alright, like I said, we're just going to leave these on about 7 more minutes and then we'll cut into them. These can go on.
I'm
They'll be
gonna
done.
tear one of them bitches
These
up.
Are
will
these-
probably be done by the time those are.
Are those bratwursts?
Yeah.
These are, no, smoked sausage with cheddar cheese in them
Ooh.
and then hot dogs.
Look at this delicious meal. Joey and Mom. Mmm.
Do not.
Too dark
I
over
just
here.
spat out a piece and you're filming it.
I'll edit it out. What's up, everybody? We just finished eating dinner, and we are now on our way to the beach. Even though I told everyone we're supposed to wait like 30 minutes before going in the water, they don't care, so whatevs.
Getting ready to go to the beach.
This ain't that bad, honest.
It ain't that bad.
That's creepy.
Yeah, I thought it'd be way worse.
Sure would be fun.
We should move to Texas so we can do it.
Why move to
but
Texas?
Texas is horrible.
Hi, I'm getting the address up.
Hey, Mom.
What, honey? Oh, hi. My face got somewhere.
right now.
Leave the driver alone.
Unpopular opinion,
What?
Beth was the best character on that show. And her and Daryl should have ended up.
right here. Cheese and crackers.
I'm leaving my
Cheese
ducks
and
in
crackers. Velcro strips. Chinese
Everybody open the
wontons.
doors.
Panic attack.
Fur cat. Rocket launcher. Rocket launcher.
We made
Wet
it.
towel.
Are we even supposed to be on this trail? Because it's like a dirt trail and there was like concrete cement
There's 2
trail.
trails to get to the beach.
We're taking the one less traveled.
This is the way?
How's everybody doing?
I'm a weirdo.
There's a fork in the road.
We go this way. Keep going straight, Opie. Yep.
This way?
No. You're your poison oak.
What's that way?
That looks like poison.
Don't touch any of the things.
Oops. Oh man. Oh.
I would laugh my ass off and you get it on your butt. Stop! Yeah, stop it.
Whoa, this is kind of spooky in here.
Yeah, stop. Let her take your picture. But then turn around too, because it was cool as you were.
What you doing, baby?
Documenting.
Down in the geek freak.
Kind of spooky in here. Yes? He's right there. We're on his territory. Jason's gonna come after us.
Why did it say flick? Oh, it says help. Help!
Does it really? That's kind of creepy. Spells help backwards. H-E-L-P. Beach day! Is this where we're setting up camp? We've made it to the beach. I don't know if this audio will be listenable. I don't know if you'll be able to hear what I'm saying because the water and the wind is so loud. But everyone's in the water except for me. I'm just sitting on a towel, chilling. Not much for swimming, so I'll be here while everyone else is having fun. Everybody's getting in the water except me. What y'all looking for?
Beach class.
Uh,
I just look for shiny. Look at it.
wow.
I got about a gallon's worth of lake water in my skull.
Yikes.
Sucks.
Might want to see a doctor about that.
Should I? I got an appointment on the 5th.
Look at that beautiful view.
Where is he?
Right behind you. Dang, that was fast. How'd he get up there so fast? It's a nice piece of driftwood. Here I go. Nope. I tried skipping a rock. There's a sign over there that says like no trespassing. I'm gonna go trespass.
No, it's somebody's home.
Here I go. The sand is burning hot. Oh, I did it. How you like me now?
So nice. What is it about the beach? Kristen,
Uh-oh. Somewhere in the plane. It's Timmy.
Hey, we're gonna have Godzilla after you got done destroying the dam.
Okay.
Cheetos.
In the water?
Yeah.
A bag of Cheetos in the water?
Yeah.
Rolling with my squad.
The fucking ability I have when it comes to a camera.
How? How did you know?
Great peripheral vision.
You could sense it.
Yeah, and I was like, who's recording?
Is that a sandcastle someone was making? And what's up with this? Kind of strange.
Yeah, we're on The Walking Dead. We're getting to the Glenn episode, sadly.
Yikes.
I'm not looking forward to it, but Joanna said we're actually going to watch it. I was down to skip it.
Wow.
I was down to not watch my boys get batted up, but watch out for metal there. There's a bunch of metal just sticking out of the ground.
Where are we headed?
You see that fireplace over there?
Yes, I do.
Let's try to find a way over there. Oh, God.
Kind of steep.
cross it?
For sure. Think I could crawl.
Kind of sketch, right
Yeah, I don't think I can crawl and film at the same time.
I got my heart racing. Hey, I think. Back down the river. All right, hell yeah. Are we recording in this bitch? I wish you the best of luck. Oh, good God. The worst you can happen is you can fall. I hear Joey. Oh, shit. Just. Oh, shit. I'm doing. Maybe just like. The first time I did, I cat crawled. I'm gonna like ride it. It's sketchy. How y'all doing? Hey, at least you didn't walk in on him face down in the ground. Oh shit.
Oh my goodness gracious.
Hey, dude, if you did that inch by a time, there's nothing to go wrong. Oh, that tree saved my life.
Halfway there.
I want you to know if it wasn't for that tree, I probably would have ate shit. It's easy. All right, there's like nothing bad that can happen from here on out. Good stuff. I might not have filmed that great, but here.
I did it. My mom didn't believe in me.
Oh, this thing is cool.
I did it, Mom.
Looks like it just got there
Good
one
job.
day.
I'm glad you're alive. Didn't hurt anything, break anything.
The hell is this thing? I'm going inside.
Don't you dare get in there. Don't.
Oh my goodness.
What's up? Coming at you live from the inside of our old fireplace looking thing.
No, let's go home. Next time.
How do people ride all the way up there?
I'm getting bit up.
Daisy, get back here.
Some cool drawings. Dollar Tree, free advertisement. This is black, a cross, forever with a heart. Oh no, my family's leaving me behind. I'm Kevin in Home Alone. Taking the easy way back since I almost died going across that log. If I never cross another stream on another log, I will die a very happy person. We made it back to civilization.
We got everybody.
Yep.
I think so.
Our lilies are about to bloom like that. They're called ditch lilies, but they're pretty.
What's up, everybody? We just got back home. Joey and Timmy are headed back to their place for the day. It's like 7:30. I just took off my hat, so my hair is all messy. I don't know what exactly we're gonna do now. Probably all gotta take showers to get all like the sand off of us. If we do anything else fun, I'll film it, but I really don't know what's going on right now. So
Crappy scores.
everybody look at the camera and say bye.
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 I'm not gonna do that. That's dumb.
Bye.
Bye.